Imagine this, you somehow teleport to Venus. No spaceship, no protection, just you. The question is simple but terrifying. Could you survive there for just 1 minute? Venus is often called Earth's twin because it's almost the same size as our planet. So at first you might think, okay, maybe it's not that bad. But the moment you arrive, reality hits you like a wall. First thing you notice is the heat. Venus is not just hot, it is around 465 degrees Celsius. That is hot enough to melt lead. Think about that for a second. Your kitchen oven feels unbearable at 200 degrees. Venus is more than double that. Within seconds, your skin would suffer severe burns. It wouldn't feel like standing in sunlight. It would feel like being inside a giant industrial furnace. But the heat is not even the worst part. The real killer is pressure. On Earth, we live under one atmosphere of pressure and our bodies are perfectly balanced with it. On Venus, the surface pressure is about 92 times stronger. That's like being 900 meters underwater in the ocean. Imagine an invisible force pushing on you from every direction at once. Your chest wouldn't be able to expand properly. Your lungs would collapse almost instantly. You wouldn't explode, but you would be crushed inward. The air itself would feel heavy and suffocating. Now, let's talk about what you're breathing. Actually, you wouldn't be breathing at all. Venus has almost no oxygen. Its atmosphere is about 96% carbon dioxide, with clouds made of sulfuric acid. So even if the pressure didn't kill you, the lack of oxygen would. You would lose consciousness in seconds due to suffocation. And that thick atmosphere doesn't let heat escape easily. Sunlight goes in, the surface heats up, and the carbon dioxide traps that heat. It's like a pressure cooker with the lid sealed tight. This is called a runaway greenhouse effect, and it's the reason Venus became the hottest planet in our solar system, even hotter than Mercury. And yes, there are lightning storms and thick yellow clouds covering the planet. But don't imagine cool rain and thunder like on Earth. These storms are happening inside a planet-sized oven. The clouds don't cool Venus. They help trap even more heat inside. The sky would look dark, orange, and smoky, not blue and beautiful. So could you survive 1 full minute? Honestly, no. Realistically, you might not even survive 10 seconds. Between the extreme heat, crushing pressure, and toxic atmosphere, your body simply isn't built for that environment. Venus may look like Earth from far away, but on the surface, it is one of the most hostile places in the entire solar system. And here's the crazy part. Even though Venus destroys our machines within hours, we still keep sending missions there to study it. Because understanding what happened to Venus might help us protect Earth from a similar greenhouse disaster in the future. So now I'll leave you with this. Would you rather try to survive 1 minute on Venus or 1 minute floating in space without a suit? Let me know what you think.